Hello, Housework haters. So, this actually isn't even our toy room. This is our living room. And I usually don't put any toys down here so that it stays clean. But since we've had the baby, she she needs to be entertained. As you can see, she just crawled away to the stairs. So, you'll see me go get her many times. But yeah, so we don't usually keep toys in this room because then it stays pretty clean. But we've had toys in here, and it is my baby's birthday this day that we're cleaning, and so we are trying to get it under control for the birthday party. So here's what we do. You can see I just grabbed a cardboard box, and that's for trash. Like, I'll usually just bring in something for trash, and then you can see we have another bin for the just toys. So there's usually toys, trash, and then we make another pile of things that need to be put away somewhere else. And so what we do is we have one person kind of in charge of the trash, and that's usually me, and it makes it really nice because sometimes the kids see trash differently. Like my one son who just came in, you'll see the 7-year-old, all the trash is his treasure. He likes to make things out of cardboard boxes. And so, yeah, so I'm usually in charge of trash. And then the oldest, a 7-year-old, he is good about the toys. And then my 5-year-old actually loves to be the runner. So that's the person who hello, baby. I don't know why I showed the baby. But anyway, so my 5-year-old, he likes to be the runner. And so if things go in a different place, I'll usually hand it to him and he runs it back. Like, we do this a lot when we're cleaning their room and they've brought toys into their room. Because we don't keep many toys in their room, because we have an actual toy room. And so he will run the toys back to the toy room, and he thinks it's the funnest thing ever. It's like what I hate. I also forgot to say, at the very beginning, like when we're cleaning the toy room, maybe you saw, like, I have them bulldoze all the toys, pretty much everything, all into a pile so we can just focus on one area instead of having everybody like walk the toys over to the bin as you pick up toys. I feel like that's a lot harder to keep kids focused. They stay a lot more focused if it's all pushed into a pile into one spot. Then you can see we're all just sitting there making the piles and up, and you can see them fighting. Yep. That's totally normal when you're cleaning. And the nice thing is, though, about this system of having the trash and the toys, they feel like the work is a little more equal because everybody has a responsibility versus, I forgot to take the thing he was hitting with away. So anyway, my 7-year-old used to have a big problem, like, I'm doing all the work, and then the 5-year-old was just off playing with the toys, but if you kind of each have a responsibility, then they don't fight over it as much. It still happens, but it is a lot more peaceful now. And also the bulldozing, because it keeps everybody like kind of right next to each other and in cleaning mode versus off playing with the toys that they're now discovering. Also, if you were wondering why our high chair is sitting there, it's because the robot vacuum is vacuuming the kitchen right now, which is awesome. I highly recommend a robot vacuum. I have lots of vacuums because I think you need the right tools for the job. If you are in the market for a robot vacuum, it is the best. It doesn't bounce around. It vacuums in straight lines, and you can control it with your phone and like block off certain sections. Like I block off parts of my house. Anyway, so we're kind of finishing up. Next, we'll throw away the garbage and someone will vacuum. Sometimes I give them like a 2-minute break if they need it. And so that's what Cooper is doing. He's having a 2-minute break, and it does wonders to give them a little break. And so now he's in charge of the garbage. He's going to go throw it away. Hayden's going to vacuum. Also, parenting hack. I feel like I learned something when we were videoing this. I don't know if you noticed, but my 7-year-old, he wasn't even there when we started, and he had come home from school and he saw the camera and just immediately started cleaning up, and he kept being like, is this for YouTube? Like, he was so excited that it was for YouTube. So if you ever are having a really hard time motivating your kids to help with the cleanup, maybe just put up a camera and say, this is for YouTube, because, you know, YouTube is all the rage these days. Or you could even say it's for Santa Claus. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I could do that, but Christmas time, that would definitely work. So now you're going to see them start to spray the couch with water bottles. This was a really good thing I discovered. Kids love water bottles. They will do like any chore with a spray bottle, I swear. And so to clean our couch, we just put water in a spray bottle and they go spray. See, Hayden is upset. The 5-year-old is upset because I couldn't find the other spray bottle. But yeah, so usually they just spray it with water and it like evaporates whatever's on it with it. And Hayden's going around with a rag wiping it up, but really, he's not really doing that much. Also, I finished up vacuuming. I think it's really important with kids it's okay to have like a kid turn and a mom turn. And they don't, you don't need to push them for perfection, but you can finish it up. And we are done. Yay, everybody's so happy. Now I'm going to try to make them pose for the thumbnail photo, and it's real fun. Anyway, so good luck cleaning your toy room. The 3 things: bulldoze all the stuff in one spot so you can sit and stay focused, and then separate the tasks. So garbage, toys, and then a runner to put things back where they go. And thanks for watching. If you're really sick of being overwhelmed with housework, definitely register for my Dream Life Masterclass. You can check it out in the description below.